Class intro, take one, Mark.
I'm Lara Jade, and I'm a fashion and beauty photographer based here in New York City. After my last course, the Fashion Series, there was a lot of interest from many of you out there who wanted to know more about the business aspects of photography and also marketing techniques. I hear you. I listened to your feedback and created this course around all of those questions that you might want answered. I'm going to teach you how to identify your potential clients, how to pitch your work, and how to get published, how to price your work, and how to create a social media strategy to become a memorable brand. There's also going to be a section on how to build a successful career when you're in a small market. In this class, we're going to have 3 different photo shoots. One will be a brand collaboration with designer Daniel Frankel. Another will be a home studio shoot where I invite you into my home. And the third will be an exciting photo shoot with influencer Christiana, who has been on America's Next Top Model. We end in a 30-day challenge where I'm challenging you to get out there and put all the points we talked about in the course into action. And I want to hear from you on how your business is doing. Feel free to post those results in my Facebook group so I can check them out. Your marketing strategy should be just as creative as your photography, if not more. The fashion and commercial industry can be quite overwhelming when you start out. This information is not that accessible online, so I'm excited to bring you into my world and give you tips and tricks on how to be successful in this side of the industry. You've done the creative work. Now it's time to set your business up for success.